Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanshopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Kamadonsela can't cheat on idlozi as they reveal themselves at the church conference. Kamadonsela apologized to his husband about his demonic actions in the church. Buhle is conflicted whether to choose love of or her family. Buhle lies to Zenzele about her grandmother being in hospital. Do you think Buhle will choose Zenzele over the female? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Umuntu wami wena, inhliziyo yami sithando sami, usiphalaphala sami. Ayikho umunye umuntu engimfunayo, ngizifunela wena nje kuphela, ngiyakuthanda. Angithandi babe.
Thanda.